Audit season shouldn't feel like a fire drill, but for most IT teams, 3 weeks before an auditor arrives means 3 weeks of manual evidence collection. There's a better way to be ready. Governance, risk, and compliance aren't checkbox exercises. GRC regulators want evidence, data retained correctly, recovery tested, immutability enforced. Most organizations build their compliance posture manually on top of their backup platform. Policies get set and forgotten. With Veeam, you can generate compliance evidence automatically. Workload protection history, data sovereignty overview, and immutable workloads reporting are built into the Veeam Data Platform and updated continuously. Veeam Data Platform gives you immutable backups that can't be altered or deleted during the retention period. And four-eyes authorization means a harmful change, like shortening or disabling that immutability, needs a second administrator's sign-off. You don't just say your backups are immutable, you can prove it with a time-stamped audit trail for every attempt to change or delete it. And DR testing? It doesn't need a maintenance window. DR testing runs automatically on schedule against live backup data in a fully isolated environment. Nothing touches production. With Veeam Data Platform, you can generate a report that shows which workloads were validated, what the actual RTO was, and whether it met your compliance requirements. Data sovereignty lets you define exactly where your backup data lives, how long it stays, and how it can be recovered. With Veeam, documentation doesn't take 3 weeks. It takes just a few clicks. Because Veeam Data Platform was building it the whole time, every backup, every test, every day. Compliance isn't something you hope for. With Veeam, it's something you can actually prove. See how GRC works when it's built into your platform from day one. Start your free trial or connect with an expert today.